Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making this white cake with buttercream frosting from scratch. So you want to start off by combining all of your dry ingredients. So we have cake flour, sugar, baking powder, and a little bit of salt. Now you want to take some softened, unsalted butter and work that into your dry mix. And you just want to work that butter in until they are pea size. In a separate bowl, we're going to mix all of our wet ingredients. So you want 6 egg whites, so that means you have to separate the yolk from the egg. And you want to go in with your extracts. I'm using almond extract and vanilla extract. And you just want to add about a teaspoon of each. Don't worry, all the ingredients will be down in the description box. And also, don't forget your milk, and we're just going to whisk this together. Now you just want to combine your wet with the dry, and you want to break out that blender and mix everything until it's nice and smooth. Now that everything is well combined, just split your cake batter into 2 9-inch cake pans and throw them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. While our cake is in the oven, we're going to make our buttercream frosting. We're taking 2 sticks of unsalted butter and 3 cups of powdered sugar. Now you just want to pour in your vanilla and almond extract and add whipping cream until you get the consistency you want. So once your cake cools off, of course you can frost it up per usual. And I forgot to take pictures and record the final cut of the cake, but trust me y'all, this is the best recipe for white cake and buttercream frosting. Let me know if you try it out. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.